Auto-cutting video clips in CapCut PC is going to save you hours of manual editing, especially when working with long footage. Open up CapCut on your computer and make sure you are in a main editing workspace. Head over to the Media tab in the top left corner of the screen and click on Import. Find your video file on your computer and bring it into your project bin. Once your media is loaded, click and hold on the clip, then drag it down onto the main track of your timeline at the bottom of the interface. Now that your clip is sitting on the timeline, move your mouse cursor over the video box in your track. Right-click directly on the clip itself to bring up the context menu. Scroll through this menu until you see the option that says Split Scene. Click on Split Scene. As soon as you click that, a small progress bar window will pop up right on your screen. CapCut is now scanning every single frame of your footage to detect where camera cuts and visual scenes changes happen automatically. The important thing is to keep in mind that this process relies entirely on software detection. While it saves massive amounts of time on long videos, the trade-off is that CapCut might occasionally create a split where you did not want one, like during sudden lighting shifts or fast camera pans. You lose a bit of precise manual control over every single frame boundary, so you will need to review the cuts afterward. Once the progress bar finishes loading, you will see that your single long video on the timeline has been sliced into multiple distinct, smaller clips. From here, you can click on any individual segment to move it around, delete unwanted takes, or apply different effects to specific scenes. If CapCut created an unnecessary cut because of a quick movement, you can simply select both adjacent clips, right-click, and merge them back together, or just edit them individually. In my case, I like using this feature on long continuous recordings to quickly discard silent or broken takes without having to zoom in and hit the split tool manually 50 times. You can also drag these fresh clips around to rearrange your story completely, and that is how you automatically split your footage into scenes inside CapCut PC to speed up your editing workflow. So, I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.